Number 6, the structure. We know structure means what is described first, and then second, and then third. Think he did start with the solution, and there is no any metaphor here. So this is wrong. But what is the contrast? Let's find. Yeah, I think I found. Yeah, I think I found here something. He said here, over the lamp, let's hit. And then he comes to the end to mention something related to the sky. So it could be contrast, but wait for the letter B. Futilness. How? You know, futile here it means something useless. But we are not talking about uselessness of an action. It must be letter A. Imagine.
Yes.
Now it is your turn. Summarize the text very quickly. Yeah, if we read carefully, it's not about the family, but it could be about the appearance of the family. Could be. I didn't mention about aristocratic achievements at all. We don't have anything about tragic or very sad event. It's not mentioned. So it must be A or B. If we focus on letter B, we'll find a lot of details for the summary. For letter D, man, the family's appearance, how they appear. As I mentioned, between them was a little boy with long brown curls, dressed. He mentioned here it was picture of his father. So it describes more about the appearance. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we found the letter B it is. Now let's jump to the next. Let's make a deal. If you answer it correct, you will go for fun. If it's not, I will go to the next. Why?
B.
So I think it's letter B, but I don't think so.
No, I thought B.
And no B, no D. Why not to be letter C? Let's see. He was zealous about means taking care of something. Regarding the health of workers. Let's see here. This one. Who tirelessly oversaw the efforts to keep the work crews healthy. Found it?
Yeah.
Then needed food, clean water, medical care, essential services. So he focused on this one. So always focus on what does the question mean. You imagine it? So letter Y is the best answer. Now let's jump to the next. We don't have information about he suffered from influenza. Don't have information he shared in the war. He said that he was, his fans celebrated his triumphs against background of news, but he didn't share. He was actually a pitcher. Do you have information about that? No, but he showed the people success during a grim time. Right? He was fortunate, respect. He is considered one of the greatest American sports heroes. That's fine. So letter B is right. And now number 10, and then we'll finish.
C.
So we need something opposite to mention. As I said, despite. And the C, no. Despite that, approximately the same size, we don't discuss the size. So C is no. We mentioned rotation around the sun, or we mentioned the old enough. Remember when we make comparisons to something mentioned before? As I said, this in fact, despite. So we need fact to prove this point. So despite it's near to the sun, so might even be cold enough to have permanent water ice near the poles. If so, let it be related to the discussed. So we'll give you ideas not mentioned in that text. So keep it away. That's fine. And the letter D is right. So now you can keep the rest of the question for your homework to the end of this module. And for test number 4, send you 3 and 4. Answer as much as you can. It depends on your time. Deal.